Fight continues. The BJP has now raised the pitch. There is a clear divide within the Parliamentary Standing Committee on the Lokpal Bill over the non-inclusion of the Prime Minister in the ambit of the Lokpal. The BJP, demanding the inclusion of the Prime Minister, will submit a dissent note on the issue today.
Considering the widely contrasting stands of the political parties on the Lokpal Bill, it was no surprise that when the members met, the differences were sharp.
They'll have to answer. We've given in our dissent because the sense of the House was to include low bureaucracy and citizens' charter and public grievance. So all I can say is that our dissent note is ready, and we're waiting for the other two members who have not arrived yet. They were not here because due to some problems. So once they are here, we'll talk to the leadership and then submit that dissent note. It's already ready with me.
Perhaps sensing the mood, there was a quick assurance from the Congress members of the panel. Assurances of the differences were likely to be ironed out.
हाँ, ये बात जरूर है कि प्रधानमंत्री के विषय में कई पक्ष हैं, सभी पक्षों में एक विवेक है, एक लॉजिक है. कौन सा पक्ष सही है, कौन सा मानती है समिति, वो आपको रिपोर्ट में मिलेगा.
Anna Hazare, almost anticipating this hurdle, has already drawn the battle lines.
जन लोकपाल के बारे में स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ने जो डिसीजन लिया, उसमें जो कमजोरी दिखाई, उसका निषेध करने के लिए हम 11 तारीख को जंतर मंतर पर बैठने वाले हैं. एक दिन का अनशन निषेध.
For the BJP, the move is well calculated. With the dissent note, the BJP gets to ensure that its stand in the Lokpal is put on record.
If the ruling party is not going to give the people what the people are demanding, then I think the onus is on how united the opposition becomes. And if they are united, just as they're having their way in others, they can have it here. Maybe the BJP leads the movement to say, we want a special session. We want a special session, come what may.
While keeping the pressure on the UPA to ensure Timanna's demands are met, no matter how inconvenient. Bureau Report, Times Now.